Hi everyone, welcome to another vlog. Today is actually the day before Anton's birthday and I'm gonna try and surprise him tonight, 12 midnight. I'm gonna go to his house and bring some food, and I'm about to go to the grocery right now, so that's why I'm kind of dressed up. I have my makeup on and I have my mask on. So yeah, I'm gonna go to the grocery to buy some things that I'm gonna make for him. So I think he knows what I'm gonna make for him, but he doesn't know na I'm gonna give it to him later tonight. Hopefully matuloy. Sana talaga makapunta ko sa house niya. By the way, this is my outfit. Super simple. I want to take an OOTD photo later sa grocery. I just have a top from Tagaytay and this skirt from Shein, my Steve Madden bag, and shoes that I got from Taiwan. So if you want to see how the photos look like, hopefully I get to post them. I'm gonna link my Instagram down below. Oh my gosh, it's brown out sa grocery. So scary. Kami dalawa lang nasa grocery.
Oh, right in time.
Okay. I love you if you
Okay, bye.
We already bought the stuff I needed and I'm hungry, yeah. We also bought Zagu. I got the watermelon one. Seatbelt.
You're moving. I cannot.
Oh wow.
Okay, bye.
Hi everyone, I am home. I look like a mess right now, But I already made the cookie batter. So, ayan yung baking ingredients. Hindi ko pala na makita na nagbe-bake or nag-mix ako ng stuff. But I was in a hurry because Anton's gonna go here because we usually hang out during Mondays. So, yeah, I need to eat lunch and let him go here. And I need to clean up my mess.
So hi guys, this is them doing, you know, chef things I can never be.
I'm done making some kimbap. So, ito yung bibigay ko kay Anton. I'm also making him a bento box. Tapos, ito yung bibigay ko sa siblings ko kasi yun yung mga medyo pangit. So, it didn't pass. And then, I also made this cookie jar. Tapos, meron din tayo mga cookies na hindi nag-pass. So, bibigay ko ito sa siblings ko para matikman din nila. Pero, they're still good. Yung shape lang medyo not the shape I wanted. Like, nasira, nag-crumble yung bottom niya. Time check. It is 11:03. What? Okay, so less than an hour. Alis tayo mga 11:55. Look at the details. I put some Japanese mayo on top. I know it's not traditional, but wala lang. I feel like it needed Japanese mayo. And I'm gonna cook some beef also. In the car and it is 11:53. I'm about to go to Anton's place and my brother was nice enough to drive me there. Yay! Hi everyone, it is the next day and the surprise last night was a success. He didn't expect it. And sorry, hindi ko na vlog yung reaction niya. I was literally carrying a lot of stuff. I couldn't hold my camera. And midnight nga, so medyo madilim. I literally just dropped off the food and that's it. But I'm really happy na he seemed to like it. I hope. I don't know. We'll see. I'll try to ask him again later. But yeah, I will be going out with his family. So I don't think I'm gonna vlog that much either. So, sorry about that, but we're gonna eat out. By the way, meron pa tayong isang surprise for him. I'm gonna give it after we have lunch cause dapat na ako bibigay pero it still needs to get delivered to my place. So, yeah, I'm gonna show it to you later. Tapos, meron akong long story about it. Basta malalaman niyo later. I ordered it.
When?
2 weeks ago. When I told you that I was gonna try and make you something.
You tried to make this?
Yeah, but I couldn't make it. So I just bought it.
Hi guys, the vlog success. Today because we're on the way to UERM. I'm about to submit some requirements I need to submit. And by the way, I brought my camera but I forgot the memory card at home, so I'm vlogging on my phone for the first time in how many years. But yeah. I don't know what to say. This is what I'm gonna submit. I already put it in this envelope and ayan, from Lasal pa yan. Buti na lang dumating on time. I actually just got this morning. So, sakto. Today yung due date ng requirements. And I'm gonna send it to school. And we are 5 minutes away na lang. We're here. I'm gonna ask if pwede iwan yung documents outside. Okay, we just left UERM. The guard just told me to leave it with them. So, hindi na ako pumasok ng school. And we're going to SM Santa Mesa now. Para makita ko kung saan ako tatambay in the future. Ayan na yung SM. It's so near lang to my school. So yeah, we're gonna go there. I don't know also. If nag-iba yung quality, I'm using Anton's phone now. Cause full memory na pala yung phone ko. Sobrang fail talaga. Nakakainis. But anyway, feeling ko mas maganda yung quality ng phone niya compared to mine. We are home. I'm with Anton. And I have a beauty talk with any creators later at 5. Akala ko 5:30, 5 o'clock pala. Buti na lang double check ko. Oh my gosh. I'm all over the place today. And Anton also has a meeting at 5, so we're just gonna do that. You don't have?
Electricity.
Oh, yeah. Walang kuryente sa house niya. So he's doing his meeting here. Having his meeting here.
Be able to answer the actual questions that we asked when we interview 5 days ago